morning children and welcome to your science class. Okay, last class you have read about reflection of light. Yes, your ninth lesson is reflection of light. I want to specifically mention about this. Okay, no one is writing this properly. Okay, whatever assignment, whatever you are sending me, whatever you are taking a snap and sending to me to my WhatsApp number, it's compulsory that you have to write your class, session, subject and name. Okay, whatever it is, class, subject, session, name at the corner, any corner, right side or left side, you write it and send it to me. If you are writing this and not writing your name, for whom I should put a tick mark, you have to write everything. If you miss any one of this, you will not get a tick mark. Okay, any class, subject, session. If you are not writing class, whose class I should think? If you are not writing subject, session, name, anything one if you are missing, you will not get a tick mark in your homework list. Today I have said no. Okay, now yesterday I have sent you angle. This, what is this and what is this? This is angle of incidence and this is angle of reflection. I gave you three, yes or no, I gave you equation like this. I gave this question as a homework. I told you to answer. You simply have written these three and again you have sent it to me. I told which among this is correct. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection or less than or greater than I told. See here, you think this is any object. Okay, any object you think. Okay, light falls on this and get, it is these light rays. Okay, it is falling on the mirror. It is falling on the mirror. This is incident ray. And it is getting reflected back to your eye. This is reflected ray. See these angles, they are both same now. See in your textbook both the angles are same. That means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflected ray. Angle of incident ray is equal to reflected ray. This is correct one. Okay, I ask you to give me the answer, not write it same and send it to me. And don't compare with others. She did, teacher, why you are not telling to me? I don't like comparing, no. Never do that. What you have done, you see that. Okay, don't ask about others. Now, going into your subject. Okay, today we are having a very interesting thing. Okay, periscope. Periscope. What is periscope means? See this object. We are doing this object today. Now, we will make a periscope. How to make a periscope? Take one box. Okay, long rectangular box you take. Take one long rectangular box. Yes, long rectangular box. Okay, like your bangle box, agarbatti box. Okay, listen carefully. If you don't understand, you can watch the video. Okay, take a long rectangular box. Now draw a square here. Draw a square. Okay, here at this end one square, at this end one square. Okay, 1, 2 squares you are getting. Yes, you just draw. Now draw a cross line like this, diagonals. What are this? Draw a diagonal to this square. Okay, I have drawn now. Now, let it be. Take one sharp knife. Take one sharp knife and cut it. Cut it. Okay, like this you have to cut. Okay, you cut it. Here you have to cut it. Here also you have to cut it. Okay. Take one long rectangular box like agarbatti box or bangles box. Okay. Now draw squares on both the ends. Square means all the four sides it should have same length, 2 centimeters. Think this is 4 centimeters. 4 sides it should have 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters it should have. Okay. Now I have drawn two squares at this end and this end. I have drawn diagonals to this squares. Now what I am doing, I will cut this. Okay, cut with the blade. Okay, along this I will cut. I have cut it now. Take two mirror strips. Take two mirror strips. Okay, it should be of this size. Okay, take two mirror strips, 1 and 2. Now take this mirror strip. Now we have made a cut it here. Cut now. You insert that here like this. Okay. Here you have made a cut now. In that cut, you take this mirror and fix it like this. Here one, here one. Okay. Two mirrors. How you have to fix? How you have to fix? Okay, mirrors. Think. This side you can see your face. This side is the back side of the mirror. Now you will place a mirror here like this. This will face. You can see from here your face. Here how you have to face, like this it should be. Okay. Back side, front side. This is your back side. This is the front side. Here you can see your face like this. It should come like this. Okay. Now this mirror you are placing it now. It may not stand firmly. For that you can use a gum, tape, or Fevicol, or you can fix it with using wax. Okay, this is your setup. Now this mirror should face each other. Okay, now this mirror is facing like this now. Here you will cut it. You make a cut. Okay, now here it is facing this side now. Make a cut. Now what will happen? Your periscope is red. Now your periscope is red. You can, here any object is there. This is a object. This object, light will fall on this object now. It will get reflected here. Yes. Here you will make a opening. You will cut here. This side you will make a opening. Okay. Now light will fall on this, and this light will get reflected and fall on the second mirror. Here you will have another mirror now like this. It will get reflected here. Okay. And here again it will get reflected, and when you see, you can see through it. Okay, you can see through it. Here you can see. Here these mirrors you have to adjust. Now these two mirrors are there now. This reflected ray should fall on this. You have to adjust the angles. Okay, this mirror will have an angle. Okay, and this mirror, both we have to adjust them so that this reflected ray will fall on this. Here you will make an opening. Okay, you will make an opening here. Okay, light rays will come out. Okay, now I will explain you once again. You see, take one rectangular box. Okay, now I am drawing squares. To these squares I am making diagonals. Yes, I am making diagonals. I am drawing two diagonal lines. With help of any sharp knife I will cut it. Cut this one. Okay, I will make a slit. Make a small slit like this. Here also. Okay, I will cut this place. Now I'll take two mirrors. Okay, that mirrors. Okay, two mirror strips. I'll fix it in this two like this. This is the back side of the mirror. This is the front. I can see the mirror like this. Okay, I'll place two mirrors like this. That mirror should fix like this. If you bring small mirror and if you fix in this, will it fix? Okay, it will not fix. You take correct size of this one. Okay, and fix it like this into that slit. Here you will fix like this. Okay. Now you have fixed the mirrors, and you will make opening here on this side. Okay, think this is your rectangular box. I made a square here. I made a cut. Yes, I made a cut. I have placed mirrors. Now this side is there now. This side. Here you will make a hole, and here this side you will make a hole. Yes. Okay, here I am drawing a diagonal now. This is your rectangular box. Here I have made one cut. Here I will make one opening. Here I will make one opening. Now, here I will make one opening on this side. Here also I will make one opening on this side. Now your periscope is ready. Now you have to try to fix this mirror so that image on this should be seen in this. Yes? When you bring two mirrors like this, image on this mirror will fall on this now. Here also you have to adjust these angles of this mirror so that the image of this mirror will fall on this mirror. Now if you see, go outside and see a tree, the image of this tree will fall on the mirror and get reflected and fall on this second mirror. This is the first mirror, this is the second mirror. And if you see from here, yes, you can see the, what image you will see? You will see this tree image. Okay, you will see that tree image. Okay, this image should fall on this. You have to try like that and set them. Now I am down here. Okay, this window is up. Above the board, window is there. I can't go up and see. If I carry this periscope and see, from this end if I see, I will put this end above the mirror, above the board. And I can see what is there outside. Okay, here this girl is seeing, you see from the textbook. See this girl. What she is doing? She took a periscope. She is seeing outside the window. Is she seeing directly from the window? No. Okay, she is sitting down. Okay, but with the help of periscope, she could see what is there outside the window. Okay, this is very helpful. Periscope is helpful for seeing heights. Okay, in the olden days in theaters, everybody should sit in front of persons will be very high now. They couldn't see the picture. What they used to use this periscope. Even in group meetings, they couldn't see the guest. They used to use this periscope. And soldiers will be hiding, no? Soldiers will be sitting down and hiding. They won't come outside and see. Using this periscopes, they could see outside. Okay? Using these periscopes, they will see other end or the person who is back of the wall. Okay? If anybody is interested, you can do this periscope. Okay? See this picture. Turn your textbook page number 86. Textbook page number 86. Okay? Textbook page 86. See this page. See how they are made. They took a box, fixed two mirrors. Here one hole they made, outside other they had made a hole. And now we are having few activities. Okay, few activities. Adjusting of angle. Okay, reflecting. Okay, how you will do? I'll tell you with few examples. See now, this is a mirror. Okay, this is mirror. You are sitting in a auto. Driver will sit in the front now. You are sitting at the back. Here one person, second person, third person. Okay, imagine. This is the auto, you think. Mirror in front of driver, one mirror will be there now. That mirror, driver is sitting. Here you three friends are sitting. Friend 1, 2 and 3. Now what you will do, if you see in this mirror, you can see your friend 1. If you are not able to see, okay, 3. Friend 3, what she will do? She wants to see the friend 1 in this mirror. What she will do? She will move here and there, no? If she sit like this, she can see that person friend 1 in the mirror? No. What she will do? She will try to move here and there. You will play also, no? When you are going in the autos, you will play also. Your friends, your family members sitting, you will see this person in the mirrors, you will see and say hi. If you sit however you want, can you see that person? No. What you will do? You'll move here and there. What is happening? Think okay, this person, light will fall on this person. Okay, from outside sunlight will fall on this person now. Okay, this person's image will fall on this mirror. Okay, this is the incident ray and it will get reflected here. Same angle now. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Will get reflected here. If 3 is sitting here, can he see 1? No, he will not be able to see. If he moves here only, he will see. Now 2 person is there. He wants to see 1. Will he, if he is sitting here, can he see? He has to move here. Okay? Did you understood that one? Okay, they should be in a same plane. Then only they can see other person. In a textbook, it is given that take a mirror and 4 friends, 1, 2, 3. Okay, friends sit around the mirror and try to see each other. Okay, adjusting yourself. Okay, it is given. I gave you another example. Now, go in front of a mirror and stand. Can you see your image in front of the mirror? Yes. Can you see? You can see your image clearly. Why? How is it happening? Put off the light. Can you see the image in the mirror? No. What is happening here? Okay, in the daytime, even if you don't on the lights, you can see. How is it happening? Light outside. Sun's light is there now outside. That light through it will fall on walls and some other material outside will get reflected into your house. That light will fall on you and that light will fall on the get reflected. Okay, see, I will draw a house. Okay, there is a mirror, there is one person, here is a person, here is a window. Okay, this is window. You think from outside light get reflected and fall on this person. Yes, and from this person light gets reflected and fall on the mirror, and from image will fall on the mirror, no, and that light get reflected to the eyes of the person and he can see. Here what is happening? Okay, light rays are getting reflected many times. Yes, and same thing. Okay, now you are sitting in front of your house. Okay, anyone house or anything is there outside, you can see in the mirror. You are unable to see. What you will do? You will adjust your place. Why? See, I said already. Mirror. This is the mirror. Okay, ball is here, outside somewhere. You are sitting here. Okay, you are sitting here. You want to see this ball. It is getting reflected. If you sit here, how can you see? You have to come here. Then only you can see. Here it will have some angle, no? The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, when you are sitting somewhere, you cannot see where this is getting reflected. If you go and stand there, then only you can see. Now one more interesting thing. Now stand in front of a mirror. Raise your one hand. Okay, which you are raising left hand. What can you see in the mirror? Left hand is getting raised? No, right hand. You will see in opposite direction. You are wearing a shirt with pocket. Okay. Okay, you see the pocket on which side it is. If it is in left side, you will see it on the right side. Okay, that is a mirror image. Now you have few more things. Okay, I will. Okay, this is the mirror. Now I am writing. Okay, I will take four sheets. I have taken 4 cardboard sheets and placing them in front of the mirror. This is the mirror. Okay, what I am writing? Dam. D-A-M. Dam. How can you see in the mirror? First you will see D. No M you will see. Yes. Mat. Like this you will see. See now. M-A-D. How is the D in the mirror? Opposite. D in the mirror is opposite. If you place, okay, I will write one more name in the mirror, you see. Okay. How you will see in the mirror? Mirror image will be reversed, no? Yes. Now everybody take page number 88. Page 88. I am reading, you see in the textbook, okay? Here I am reading, these blanks are there, no? I am reading these blanks. In a mirror, right of an object appears left and left of an object appears right. Okay, page number 88. Right here, mark this blank. Right of, in the mirror, what you will see? If you are raising left hand, you will see right hand is raised. Okay, if your pocket is on the left, you will see on the right in the mirror. Here you write in the blank. In a mirror, right of an image appears left and left of the object appears right. Right of an object appears left and left of the object appears right. First blank is left, second one is right. Okay. Now go to the below. Here down you see ma? Down. Okay. Spelling of my name. Now names are there, no? Your names are there, no? Okay, take any name. Meghana. In mirror, how can you see? Here I wrote okay. In the mirror, it is like this. Damn, I wrote. Okay. Mad, it has come. Okay. Try to write your name in the mail. Or if you are unable to write your name in the book. Big letters. Put a mirror here. How can you see that you write here? Homework is it. This is your homework. Page number 88. Okay. Textbook page number. The textbook page number 88 is your homework. Blanks is there now. This is your homework. Now here in this picture you see D has changed, but A and M are similar. There as it is. Now very interesting thing, ambulance. Okay, when you see on ambulance, okay, how is it written in reverse? Why you have never got a doubt that why is it written in the opposite side or in a reverse way? Because the person who is going in front, he will see in the mirror now what vehicles are coming in the back. If the ambulance is written in correct way, the front person, can he read properly? That will come in reverse. So on the ambulance name is written in reverse way. The person who is in the front is going, he will see in his mirror ambulance correctly. Yes or no? Yes. Because of this, it is like that. Okay, children? Thank you.